Thanks for joining me again for another unboxing. This time we're going to unbox a package I got from Honeybee. I did an order with them last month. I just got this today. But I did an order with them last month because they had I think the owner of Honeybee, they had a birthday special. So everything was 30% off. And you know me, if it includes clearance, that's a bigger bonus. And it did. So we're going to do this unboxing. Yeah, this is the first time I have ordered from them, and apparently, I mean, they do very well at. And let me know if y'all like it, the unboxings with like this, or just me doing a voiceover. And we'll see what everybody likes better, and we'll go that route. But anyways, because I do tend to go on tangents like I am now. But anyways, it was some pretty navy tissue paper. Ah, look at the free stuff they already sent. Yeah. Um, and bubble wrap. Yay, bubble wrap for die cutting, for covers, for mixed media. Woo. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so all right, I really didn't get a whole lot from them. Okay. Put that down there. All right, so this, it's a thank you. It's a thank you card. Sorry. Um, they have it's a cute little coloring card that you can color and share. Isn't that cool? That is so sweet. And that's my order. All right. Sweet. Thanks, Honeybee. Okay. Do the this is the a Wow embossing powder quad. So if y'all can see or not, but maybe I just need to will it be still? Maybe not. Let me just see if y'all can kind of see the colors. But this is like their mixed media powder quad that they had on clearance that I just had to get because I love my mixed media powders. Um, but it looks like let's see here, we got concrete, granite, asphalt, and brick. And if y'all want a review or whatever of these, let me know. I'll be more than happy. I look forward to doing reviews with you guys, anyways, and project shares and DIYs, all kinds of stuff. So, if y'all have any questions or comments, be sure to put them down below. Oh, okay. So these were on deep discount as well. This was their silver brushes. Let me make sure. Okay, so I did just get two. These are their short handle. Um, the silver brush size. So these are like, silver brush. They're not cheap, and because I love to watercolor, I've never used silver brush. I usually use my faux squirrel um, brushes. Uh, but this is the size 10 round, and I got a size 8 filbert. So I think these were probably $4 or $5 a piece. So that was really cheap for a silver brush. So I'll be using these and seeing how they compare to my other good ones. So my mimic brushes that I love so much. Um, and then last but not least, okay. Oh, okay. So this is this is a bag. Okay. They're all in the bag. Uh-oh. Cute little bag. There's nothing else. Okay. Another free art supply. Another free art supply. So that's awesome. I need to reset my camera. Okay. So here we go. This, I think was probably it was $5 or $6, but it's the pineapple lattice face, and that's with the discount and it being on clearance. So this it cuts the outer edge of it. So I mean, there's all kinds of things you can do with that. Be gorgeous, foiled or impressed, embossed. Try not to get the lighting too bad. Okay, and then we have a foil plate. This is the Fanciful Hot Oil and Letterpress plate. Oh, goodness, that's gorgeous. It's like a flower, but I was also thinking, I saw a tutorial where you can actually foil on your glimmer, like your negative foil, um, without a plate. I know that I've seen many tutorials, including Jennifer McGuire, where they use a hot foil plate that's just plain from Paintbrush. But Spellbinders actually had a tutorial back whenever the Glimmer came out, where they didn't use anything to do their negative foil, they just put it on the glimmer with a couple of pieces of cardstock. But anyways, I figured if anything, I can try this. Even though I am going to try it the other way, and I'll let you know how it is. And if it doesn't work out, then maybe use the back of this and see if you can hot foil the negative. Who knows? Anyways, okay, so that is the fanciful hot foil plate. Isn't that pretty? And I think I probably gave $8 for that. It was 6 to 8 bucks. But anyways, here we go. This here, oh, this is so cute. All right, so this is the Quatrefoil A2 cover plate base. This is a piercing plate as well. It was a retiring, so they're not going to restock on it, unfortunately. But there's no cutting; it's just piercing. The only cut is the cut edge. So there is a cutting edge on the sides, but everything else is piercing. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. You can do a partial die cutting and make it longer or wider if you need to. I love doing the partial die cutting. And then last but not least, you'll get to know me. If it's leaf and it's on clearance and I have the money at the time, I'm gonna get it. So this here is it's a 6x6 palm frond stencil. But I mean, you can use that for anything. I mean, not just palm fronds. I mean, any kind of leaves, any kind. So you can use it to emboss. That'd be a cute book cover. Okay, well, anyways, that's enough of my yickety yakking. So all this was part of their sale, and all this stuff was on their clearance. So if y'all are looking for brushes or foil plates or whatever, I'm sure their sale's off, but they have clearance. All this was on clearance, so y'all will know that. But again, if y'all have any questions or comments, let me know below. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Y'all have a good one and take care. Bye.